like kids.
Okay.
Yeah, Billy. Lean. Oh.
How did I miss that?
You didn't lean.
Oh, I have to lean.
You have to lean
put your
over,
head
lean to
over
your left.
it. Get
Or,
your head over that way.
like lean your whole body when they throw it.
But I don't have to go forward, just over.
Yeah, just
Well, you
lean.
just have to learn how to do it.
There you go.
There you go.
That thing must be wired up.
Ooh, you got it.